Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and this is Saturday, July 11th. I'm going to go back to Wingstop. This has been a chart of the day video at least once, I think maybe even twice. But this is one that members in our forum have been jumping all over, and you can see why. Here's just what I want to point out, and this is real brief. Members, this is going to be a short one because the videos in the weekend update are a little bit longer. You can use the fast version, but I think you're going to find these highly educational and profitable. Here on Wingstop, higher high, higher low, etc., etc. Every single time here over the last 5 days, we've had higher highs and higher lows. Also, look at this. On the close, the stocks have traded very, very high in relation to their intraday range. Okay, so they're closing near the high of the day. Volume is increasing. You can really see this on an hourly chart. We could zoom down more if we wanted to. This is what I'm talking about. Sideways consolidation coming all the way out. This was what first brought it to my attention, was this pop here, and it was a move there. Let's get rid of that. It was a move on volume, above average volume. So now you see the stock doing what it's doing. Here's your next buy point, seriously, because remember, it's making higher lows and higher highs. If the stock moves up above 34.85, and I'm going to put an alert here. Okay, if the stock moves up above 34.85, then guess what? We're off to the races again. If the stock pulls back, you just got to look at this as really a change in character. But here's the deal. After the stock opens up, it got a lot of press, traded down just a little bit, but now it's trading above its opening high. This is not a stock that I think you really trade. You know, you can if you want. It's plenty liquid, over 1 million shares traded. But I think this is just a stock that you own. Just take a short position, not a short position, although, hey, feel free. Just take a small position in the stock. As the stock moves higher, as it prints new highs, you can either add to that position and then have a stop on your initial position, or you just let your initial position work. But just take a small position in this, because you have to know this is all these IPOs are speculative stocks. They absolutely are speculative stocks. Hang on, I'm trying to get something here. GoPro, this was fine. It worked really, really well. Here, not so much. But then once it started moving here, it was all good. But these are all a little bit different. You look at Facebook, if I can get, we're going to have to go to a weekly chart. Remember this walk down memory lane? Everybody was all lathered up about Facebook. It opens up, I think it was around 40, which was higher than it was, quote, supposed to. And the stock traded down 50%, over 50% before it started moving higher. Now, don't you think you'd have been a genius if you'd bought Facebook on the IPO and just held it? So what I'm saying is, Wingstop, it could still go either way. You extrapolate this out a month, 2 months, a year. This could have gone all the way up to $40 and then down to 30 as the bird flu kicks in and people decide that they're going vegan and they really don't want to eat stuff where feathers used to be sitting on it. I mean, whatever. You just don't know. But right now, with respect to this kind of a price action, this is where you want to be. So take some of this stock, and I think you're going to make money on it.